Hi, welcome back to Asian Home Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Thai Tom Yum noodle soup. When you hear about Thai Tom Yum, you may think of what we call Thai Tom Yum Gung. Tom Yum with shrimp, which had a creamy and spicy flavor. Today I would like to share a classic Thai seafood with you, Thai Tom Yum noodle soup. Let's get started. To make soup, I use chicken breast. Put them into boiling water, cooking for 5 minutes. Then transfer to another pot with boiling water. Then add some herbs. I got garlic, black peppercorn, coriander seeds, and cilantro stem. Put onto cheesecloth and tie it. Then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon log sugar, 4 chunks of Chinese lettuce, and 2 chunks of onion. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium. Cook on low heat for an hour. Once time is up, I actually cook more than 1 hour. I take about 2 hours. So my chicken more tender and the soup really nice. I'm gonna take out a piece of chicken, then remove the skin and take the bones out. You know what? It's hot. You can rest for a while before you do this. Okay, after slicing it, set it aside. Now I'm gonna boil the noodles. I have bean sprouts and fresh rice noodle, the same noodle that we use for pho noodle soup. Cook in a boiling water for a minute. Put into a bowl, set aside. Then we need some chicken broth. Look really nice. Then season with about half tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon fish sauce, 1 or 2 tablespoons of lime juice, depending on how much you like, a little fried garlic, 1 teaspoon homemade chili oil, 1 tablespoon of homemade ground peanut. I just made it. Give it a stir, then taste. I like it spicy, sweet, and sour taste. Okay, let me add a little more chili and then add green onion and cilantro in for more flavor. Look at this beautiful soup. Put on the noodles. Give it a stir. This is fresh noodle. It may stick together, but they can easily separate each other. Then add more green onion and cilantro on top, a little ground peanut, and this fried potato. Add the chicken, a little more peanuts because I like it. It's crunchy and creamy and smells so fresh because I just made it. Then a piece of lamb. There you go, classic Thai Tom Yum noodle soup. Okay, let's do another one. Then add the same season that we just add already. To add seasoning depending on what flavor you like, but mostly we like spicy, sweet and sour taste. For this one, I like to add about 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk to make it creamy for people who like creamy noodle taste. Okay, put soup on the noodles. Give it a stir and add the topping. To add meat and topping, basically we add ground pork, fried crispy wonton wrapper and boiled egg. But today, I just want you to try with crispy fried potato. It tastes really good. Here you go. creamy tom yum noodle soup.
You can adjust for your taste and any topping you wish, and of course my recipe in description box below. Don't forget to check it out. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!